Hi guys, welcome back to our Crystal Communications YouTube channel. I'm Lebo, and today we will be unboxing and taking a quick look at the 5 kilowatt battery from Huanyu Energy. Here it is, the 5.12 kilowatt hour battery from Huanyu Energy. So let's get it open and see what we have in the box. And these are the accessories. First things first, we have the manual. We have the comms cable and wall mounting bolts. We have the wall mounting plate for the battery. We have a faceplate to protect the battery from the elements. And last but not least, we have the battery cables. We've had a look at the accessories that come in the box. Now, let's have a quick look at the unit itself. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the 5 kilowatt battery from Huanyu Energy. It comes with a very versatile design which allows for wall mounting or floor standing installations, which is made possible by the wall mounting brackets behind the unit and the rubber feet at the bottom of the unit. This 51.2 volt 100 amp hour LiFePO4 battery is rated at 6,000 cycles. It has a 5.12 kilowatt hour nominal capacity with a max charge and discharge current of 100 amp. It comes in at 54 kilograms. Now that we've seen the battery specs, let's take a quick look at the physical unit. As we can see, the unit comes with an onboard screen for configuration and management. These are your battery connections, your positive and negative connections, your communication ports. You have your RS485 ports, your CAN port, and your RS232 ports. Then you would have your various lights for status indications. And that's it. Thanks for joining us for our unboxing video and overview of the 5.12 kilowatt hour battery from Huanyu Energy. And if you'd like to know more about the brand and their products, please don't forget to check out our Q&A with Huanyu Energy. And please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.